Good afternoon. I am HeBudgets. If you are interested in the binder budget system, cash stuffing, finding different ways to save, then you're at the right place. Today, I'm going to go ahead, close the first week of June. It felt like the longest week, I guess, because it started on, what did it start last Thursday? But today is the 9th. Happy birthday to my dad. Happy heavenly birthday, Pops. Um, Today is the 9th, so 9 days in, and we are just not able to close the week. It's Friday today. So cash is here. I did pull the envelopes out of my wallet, and we'll pull out the rest of the cash out of primary and see what we were able to save. Let's do it. All right, so let's start by unstuffing our envelopes. Hope everyone is well. It's, as I mentioned, for me, it feels like it's been a long week. It could just be me. It's the start of June. June is a long month this year. So pulling out, I just pulled first. There was 10 left in cash. Let's go over here. And let's see. So cash hat started with 50. I guess we'll pull those out. Pulling out extra from food. I did really well this week. Besides the no spend challenge that's going on, Millennials and Money has going on, and some others are doing the no spend June as well. I've been really, in addition to that challenge, I'm really just trying to step it up as far as my saving goes and limiting my spending, just in preparation for purchasing a home. So I'm really trying to step it up. I'm working. I'm hopeful to within the next 3 months, maybe sooner than that, be in my home. So we'll see. I'm also going to pull out of the primary. So for spending, week one, we put 50 in. So we're going into week two. Week two, we should have $150 in here. So any extra will come out. And if we're short, we'll add back. But we should be over 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. We have 160. I'm going to put this 60 over here. And we'll take this 50 out. So we added 10 more to the savings. 20, 40, 60, 80, 150. And that's for week two. And so this is just, I use this as another form for me to save some money. So I monitor my spending on groceries, how much I spend just in random spending money. I'm like eating out or buying things from the stores. Also try to be mindful of how much I spend on gas, and then also just what we spend on the house in general. Groceries should be going down to 262, 1 or 51, 50, 200, 20, 40, 60. I'm going to pull this 40 out of here, and I'm going to pull $2 from here to get this up to 262. The 50 will just kind of wash. 51, 52, 20, 40, 60, 1 and 2. 262, that prepares us for week number 2, or the rest of the month. So we're subtracting week 1. Gas money, we should be at 187 for the next 3 weeks. 51, 50, 70, 80. I'm going to take this 20 out. Let's see if we have any change in here. Giveaway looks like there's some extra change in here. We need $7. Stash has a bill in there. That's 5. I'm going to take this 5 out of stash. That puts us at 51, 150, 170, 180, 185, 86, 87. 187. We did take that 20 out. So we are still up. It may have even been 40, but up some for gas still. How was your week? Put down in the comments below if you had anything special happened this week. I feel like it was just a regular old week for me. I worked all week. I worked a lot this week, but I'm glad to hopefully get some rest this weekend, get some housework done, household stays. You know what we did though? I pulled out home. I'm gonna put 10 back because household, we should have only taken 10 out. Besides that, everything else in here stays. Let's see, I do owe money to gas, so to the bank, and I got gas. My binders are backwards. So to my Shell card, I do owe 50. I use my Shell card, and the cash is still here. So, and using my card, I use my card because I do get a discount. I actually got, what was I feel it was 30 cents actually, 30 cents off per gallon, which definitely helped. We owe 50 for gas. That bill is due on the 20th, so yes, money is there to pay it when it comes in. No interest, and we get the discount. So for this week, we look a little short this week, but any amount is a good number. We are at 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. $120, 120 save for week one. So just as far as reminders, in April, we saved 573. And in May, which is now the month to beat, I saved 614. Thinking about it now, I realized that in May, I was out of town for a whole week. So that gave us a really good week of no spend. There was no gas, no groceries, no extra money spent in May. So that really boosted us up. 573 was the original number to beat. So we'll see how that works. We will definitely do our best to beat 614. But that was, like I said, a really slim month as far as spending. But I'll see. So to wrap this up, we'll go ahead and I will stuff my envelopes for next week. Do some. We just did the unstuffing, so now we're going to stuff them for next week. And per week we do into spending. This actually stays, and I'm going to start using this cash for. I'm going to start using this. Will be some that'll go towards the. My box under there. I got a new stand for my tray, my 100 envelope box, but I will start using some of this leftover. I haven't decided if I'll do it towards the end or kind of jump in. I'm thinking about kind of doing some weekly add-ins to there. I'll decide what percent, if I want to do half, which would be 110, or what I want to do as far as that contribution to that. So for, let's see, now we're going to stuff our cash envelopes. For spending, I'm going to put 40 in. 50 is our number. So if I only spend this 40, we will still have saved an extra $10. But I do plan, again, I'm really trying to hold fast and not spend too much just overall. Let's see, groceries. We're going to take 50 out for groceries. We allocate 87.50. So 50 is coming out. And we'll see how that works. What's planned? I haven't really planned a menu. I think I'll probably I'll check out what we have and make a menu for next week. Gas, we're going to add 50 for gas. Allocating $62.50 for the month. And I'm only putting 50 into the envelope. If I need more gas, I can always come to my envelope and actually have about a half a tank. It is the weekend, so I may still use some gas, but hoping to go into next week with some gas, and we don't have to spend this whole 50. But we have 50 in the wallet and 62, so that's $12.50 still in the binder. Been getting nice comments on my wallets, my little wallet envelopes. I actually need to redo them. These are kind of old. They're probably about a year old, if not more. But I like them. They do still work nice. And let's see, home was already set. So stuffing into our wallet, cash, food, gas, and home goes into the wallet. Before I came in, I was just checking out Cash Bear Mama. She had a new video out, and also checked out. So, what am I doing with this? Where did I even get this from? This is supposed to be my pocket wallet. I don't think that go in my pocket. Checked out Salisa also. She was showing us actually, and it might work for those that are asking about these wallets. Some like a similar process to make these too. So check that out. But Cash Bear Mama did her maybe not, I believe it was. So getting to know Cash Bear Mama. These go back in my wallet, and my wallet is cashed up. So although the process is a little different, it's similar too for me. So I do pull cash. I do put a certain amount in my wallet. I do use my credit cards and get the points when available. But the process as a whole works. That's pretty much it for me. Hope everyone is well. Hope everyone had a good day. I'm happy to be back. I feel like it's been a while, even though I guess it hasn't been too long since the last video, but glad to be here. Glad to be keeping my budget in order. All right, you made it this far. Appreciate you. Go ahead and drop blue hearts. We're doing blue hearts today. Blue shirt, blue hearts. Throw the blue hearts back out there. You made it this far. Drop a blue heart just to let me know you made it this far. Thanks again. HeBudget B-Bucks, they're on their way. The envelopes, I was waiting to send that money. They came in today, so keep an eye out for those. That's it. Have a wonderful day. Peace.